Yo, Wagwan, it's me, Raul Guevara, and welcome to Top 10 Mostest Big Womanist Jamaican Names. Thanks for the suggestions, and hope your mother name make the top 10. Ray.
Number 10, Maureen. Maureen always have one bag of sitters in her ear, no matter what time of the day. Number 9, Sandra. Every Sandra me know always have Jerry Curl. Am me alone? Number 8, Annette. Me believe say Annette kinda young for that group here, but she make the countdown. So go through Annette. Number 7, Joy. You can't get no more big woman than Joy. Number 6, Marcia. Marcia pitting them always a fight at school. What's up? Number 5, Pamela. And me or every Pamela have a big bottom. Number 4, Charmaine. Charmaine is usually the prettiest one out of our sister them. Number 3, Yvonne. Yvonne, now that is a big woman name. Number 2, Yvette. All of our sister them name in our head. Babette, Paulette, Suzette, Navlet, Yvette. And number 1, the mostest big womanist Jamaican name is Maxine.
Thanks for watching. Catch up on the next top 10 and comment the names and what you think me left out below.